Hi everyone, out at the field today doing a little bit more field testing, specifically on this King Kong 6040 prop. Today I'm running it on the GepRC 2306 2750 kV motor on 3S. This motor, if you've watched any of my recent videos, this is probably my pick for the most powerful motor of all the ones that I've tested over the last year. So anyway, let's just give her a thrasher, and I'll talk a bit more about the prop as we get going. Just a bit of a breeze come up here, so there we go. So anyway, I'll have links below to my spreadsheet. I bench tested it on 3S and 4S. This motor with this prop with some really good numbers. On 3S, it's about in between. I would say it's sort of smack in between, bench test wise, in between the 6x4 APC gas and the 6x3 EMP. Yeah, she rips. Woohoo! But it does so at drawing about 2 to 3 less amps, both at mid-range and full throttle. So a bit more efficient that way. What I would say is that at mid throttle, it actually feels like I can fly around with a little slightly less throttle, you know, when I'm just thrashing around. So it seems to be very, very efficient, producing really good. Wind pushed me around a little there. Really good efficient power at you know, at sort of that mid-range. You know, it is a quad designed to be used for quads, two-bladed prop for quadcopters. So it is a very different shaped prop compared to you know, the 6x4 APC gas. Yeah, she really winds out compared to the 6x4 APC gas and the 6x3 EMP. Nice. It is. I'm actually quite impressed. Although it's a very flexible, well, not floppy flexible, but it's considerably more flexible than the two other props I've been discussing here. But it doesn't seem to be. Oh, baby! Doesn't seem to be losing a whole lot of power, you know, at sort of top end, and it's not overly noisy. So I don't know that it's. I'm sure it's got a bit more flex than the other two props, but you know, it doesn't seem to be losing a whole lot of power as a result of that. Oh. Lots of torque, you know, for climb outs. Okay, let's do one more. We can't squeeze one more good pass here. Nice. Okay, settle down. So yeah, the nice thing about this prop, you know, they're very inexpensive. I mean, I bought them from Banggood, and I had to buy 20 at a time. Whoop. So you know, I'll probably have these props to give away in my will, some of them. But they work out to like 25 cents a piece. So let's just check. I don't expect I'm going to have any issues with heat buildup here. Just unplug the battery. So I tested it on the bench on 3S with the Turnigy AE. Today I'm running in the plane the Hobby Wing 40 amp. Yeah, it's a little bit warm, but nothing that would worry me. Speed controller's good. Yeah, so yeah, really, you know, compared considering it's about quarter, you know, based on where I have to buy my other two props, it's about a quarter of the price of a 6x3 EMP, and about a tenth of the price of a 6x4 APC gas. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this prop. Most of them are pretty well balanced. I have had to balance. I've taken about 4 of them out of the pack, and I have had to balance 3 of them just a little bit, but not terribly. I would say they're better balance out of the package than most 6x3 EMP props. So yeah, really impressed. So I'm going to do some testing on the bench and in the air as well with the you know, the old ParkJet Workhorse 2212 2200 motor, and see how that works out, because, you know, bargain budget motor, budget prop, and you know, if you buy 20 of them, especially if you're just getting started off, you'll have plenty of props for quite a long time. So anyway, this plane, you may have seen in one of my recent videos. I built in my quest to try and break 100 miles an hour with a ParkJet with a quad racing motor. Unfortunately, I'm running into some real technical issues with my GPS data logger, so I'm going to shoot another video on that moving forward, and my thoughts about this plane compared to the first one, because I think there might be some tweaks that I might make on this to squeeze a little bit more speed out of it. But anyway, so there we go, folks. Thanks very much for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone, and ParkJet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.